I believe I have found my favorite hair tool for the best ponytail. And you see how thin my hair is right there? So I found these. These are called the Pony O. It's like magic for my hair, especially because my hair is not super thick. If you have not heard of it, you need to get you one now. Try it because it is the bomb. And then bam. Doesn't that look so much fuller? I really love it. I'm digging it, like digging it. My ponytail would never be this high and perky if I were using just a regular ponytail holder. Like, it's a girl's dream to have this ponytail. Go get you one of these bad boys. Try it. They have all different colors. They're so inexpensive, and I even have a coupon code I can give you. So what are you waiting for?